The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. I do have a course sale running right now, guys, so if you guys like my analysis videos and you like the way I teach, then you'll definitely like my course, and you can get it at a great deal, 50% off, only until next Tuesday. Link in the video description below. So this is an Easter sale going on right now for my technical analysis course. So let's take a look at TLT. I think I was bullish last week, and it looks like prices did rise up due to shorts being trapped, and let's go over the reason why. So prices closed on March 31st at the 106.30 level-ish, 30-ish level, and since then prices rose higher. So why did that occur? Well, let's go look at the price. So it looks like traders are playing this ranging pattern. Every time they see prices come up to the 108 level, they sell. Every time prices come to the 99.40 level, they buy. Again, it's not that simple. I mean, sometimes we just pop right through a level. Like here, for instance, right now, I mean, do traders really want to sell? Probably not, because it looks like it's about to break out. So again, that's just a very simplistic way of looking at trading. So prices are inside this bounds right here between the 108, 109, and the 99 and 100. So this is the trading levels that they are respecting. When prices hit the lows of the range, it goes to the highs, and when it hits the highs, it goes to the lows. So prices hit the lows and went to the highs. We hit the highs back here on March 13th, but why did it not go to the lows? Prices stopped right at the 103.77 level on Wednesday, March 29th. So why didn't we go to the lows? Well, this was the main reason right here. The bullish imbalance on this chart, meaning that the bullish momentum probably wants to carry the price up higher. And also, you can see that sellers were attempting to bring the market down to this lows of the range 2 times. So they tried once right here, and then they tried 2 smaller times. So this is the first time, this is the second time. So technically, these 2 smaller times are just 1 big time. So that's 2 big times. You can see this was the first attempt to reach the opposite side of the range, and then they made 2 smaller attempts, which is the second larger attempt, and they failed to do that. Once buyers saw that that sellers failed to do that, that's when they started getting really happy, because they probably can trap shorts. You can see that prices were inside of this miniature range pattern too. So prices were at the low side of this miniature range. Prices got back above the EMA. The bulls recognized that the shorts failed 2 times to reach the opposite side of the range, which means if the market fails to do something twice, it can do the opposite. So they know that rule. Again, that's it's not guaranteed, but once you see a few attempts by the opposite opponent and they fail, then you could probably do the opposite, which is buy, and you can see how it just rushed up. So it trapped out all these shorts, and it looks like we're at the top of the range where we can probably still sell off, or we can see the breakout. I'm leaning more towards the breakout. I was looking for a leg of equal size to this one right here. This is the first leg higher. This was the second leg, and this is targeting the 115, 116 level. So I'm looking for that breakout to reach here. We'll see if that occurs. We're at the top of the range, so maybe we don't reach it at all. It's not guaranteed. Just because we trapped shorts this amount doesn't mean we're going to continue to push up, but there's a possibility of that occurring, a good one too. And if I draw a channel, this is not a confirmed channel, but we do have 2 touches on the bottom, only 1 touch on the top, so this could be the new channel that traders are respecting. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, basically last week shorts were trapped. A few weeks ago, actually, the shorts were trapped. Prices were due to seeing a rally. We did see the rally higher to the top of this range, It has been acting as resistance for quite a long time in the past, but I think the bulls will probably attempt to at least break out, and we could probably see higher prices, and the target would be right around the 116 117 level. So I would not be playing breakouts. Most breakouts fail, so even if we do see a breakout, I mean, it could just fail and we could see prices sell off. It's better to play the breakout and then you see the support holding, or if sellers fail to come back in the range, and then higher prices. So that could be the play that traders are looking for. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, last week higher prices were expected. That's exactly what happened. We'll see if we get a breakout. We prices closed right at the top of the range. Maybe we don't. Maybe we see a large sell-off. Again, everything is just an attempt in the market. But looking at this, we do have this little miniature channel working higher too. So it looks pretty good for higher prices, at least right now. So I'm looking for higher prices. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart for TLT, and you can see the last couple of weeks have been nice. Prices are finding support at the EMA, and you can see the large rejections at these lower price levels. It looks like the bulls are rallying prices higher. Today was a nice this week was a nice follow through. Prices are closing right at the highs of the range, but there's a lot of stops right over here, so they probably want to stop everyone out and then probably continue lower if that's what they're trying to do. Overall, it's still a downtrend, so even though I see higher prices, this is still a downtrend territory. So 2 legs up will take prices to right about here. Again, like I said before, 115 116 level, and I put a horizontal line at that target. You can see that prices like to test this level quite a few times in the past. It acted as support here, support here, support here, support here, starting acting as resistance. Prices are coming back to test it for resistance. Now, since we had the break of this yellow channel, we usually get a few attempts at a new low, and the sellers tried that once right here. A second time, looks like they failed, but those are 2 small attempts. I'm still expecting 2 large attempts, so maybe after these 2 legs up we see 2 large attempts lower. So even though I see higher prices, medium to long term, it could turn into continuation to the downside. We'll have to wait and see. That's all a little too far in the future. As of right now, I'd be expecting higher prices because it looks like shorts failed to drop down the market. Prices are closing above the EMA. I know the stops are stacked right over here for the shorts because they're going to put it right there. Why would they put it above these swings? Because if they're wrong, they want to get out right here, because then the prices can rally here. So they want to get out because they're saying if prices break this level, then I want to get out. Why would I stay? So they're probably going to, there's a bunch of stops right here that probably can get triggered. So it looks like it's going to be triggered because we see this follow through from the bulls. And obviously, if we do a fib retracement from this downtrend right about here to the lows, you can see that the measurement target also coincides with the 382 level. So there's some confluence right there and some more confidence for traders to be looking for higher price targets. So that's all I have for TLT this week, Saturday, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.